Merry Christmas, guys! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be shooting a get ready with me. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and after this I'm gonna go out. It is Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas, guys. So let's get ready. So this is the fashion fair. I know most people don't use fashion fair anymore. I know a lot of people that don't use fashion fair anymore, but I have been faithful with fashion fair for a very long time. I honestly just like it a lot better the way it applies on my face. Now I am a mutt to makeup. I use a bunch of different products. So I mix my makeup a lot, as you're pretty much gonna see today. So for all the makeup that I am using, I'm just gonna pretty much put it up on the screen what I'm using. My eyebrows were pretty much already done before this. Hold on, I have to drink something because I'm thirsty. I do coat my face. With some cream. However, sometimes I normally just do this and then do this, and then I apply my makeup. I just like it better that way. This is how I do it. It may not work for everybody, but it sometimes works for me. So I'm gonna apply this under my eye. I do not want to put my finger in this because my nails are type long. Guys, so let me chime in to say that I normally don't have my eyelashes on while I'm doing this. This was not a planned video at all. I just thought, like, why not just get ready, you know, and hang out with you guys a little bit while I shoot a video on Christmas Day. You guys, so pretty much I am mixing my makeup. I don't think you're gonna be able to see fully the color that I am using, but I'm using some gold. I find myself using the gold a lot. I just like the way it looks. You guys, so I am doing this because I have my eyelashes on. I normally don't have my eyelashes on is when I'm doing this, but when I do have my eyelashes, I do this. Right now I'm just adding a little bit more of a highlight to my eyes. That's all. So I just went in with my eyeliner. But right now I'm such in a rush. I do mix it a lot. I do mix it because I just like it better that way.
Keep
guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell at the side so you can be notified every time I post a video. Guys, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back with more videos. Guys, it's Christmas. Happy holidays from Danny Marie to your family. Bye. Mwah. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.